You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is f equals 95. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 95 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is f equals 95.